Morning guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with This Guy. That's me. Hope you're all very well today. In today's video, we are going back to our Level Up playlist. So if you haven't seen any of the other videos, I have a playlist on the channel. So we've done two there already. I'll link them above. Today, lads, we are making red velvet cookies. Okay, first things first, guys, we need to get our butter in. Cold butter, out of the fridge, cubed. We just want to mess it around a bit. And we just want to mess that up a little bit. That then is our sugar. So I've got 160 grams of light brown sugar, and I've got 160 grams of caster sugar. Again, what we're going to do, we're going to pop it in. And we're just gonna mix it around for a few minutes. Well, not even a few minutes, a few seconds. Okay, as you can see there, so we're looking, it's looking like they look like pebbles of butter and sugar. I'm going for 100 grams of white chocolate here, guys. Just gonna mix that up again, just until it's combined. It all goes in together. As you can see there now, right, that is kind of like a sandy kind of consistency, which is perfect. So in that mixture, guys, we've got the 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we've got our food coloring there as well, right? All we're going to do here now is just incorporate this into the mix, and then we're laughing. So what we have here is our gorgeous mix. So we're going to make dough balls of about 125 grams. Right, so the mix should make about 10 or 11 good size dough balls. So you can see them here, guys. Look at that. That looks phenomenal, right? I really think we've definitely got a level up. Hopefully they taste amazing as well. Okay, so they've gone into the freezer and they have to freeze, right? So you're talking anywhere from 90 minutes to a couple of hours before we actually get a chance to cook them, right? Put them into an oven, 180 degrees Celsius for about 14 to 15 minutes or so, and they should be amazing. Again, like I'll make reference to Cupcake Gemma's recipe, like they come out fantastic. If mine come out anyway like that, I would be absolutely delighted with. Okay, so taste test, which is, to be fair, always the best part, isn't it, guys? Let's have a quick look at that. Look at that. Oh. So good. Okay. That, my friends, is leveled up. That is so good. Red velvet cookies. Jesus. There's not really a lot more to say, really. Try it. Let me know how you get on. Leave me a comment in the video. Very quickly, I just had a look at the subscriber count on the channel, and we're at 88. which is absolutely phenomenal. Look, we'll leave it there, guys. Thanks again so much. I'm going to go off and have my cup of tea and my cookie. My wife might even get one. But it's been a pleasure, and we'll talk to you again soon. Cheers, guys.